From a drop of water to a touch of essence, we are always exploring how to give them new life with packaging. When you want to break through limitations, pursue more possibilities. ZHONGHUAN Intelligent Machine. Get the answers to all your questions become clear. Countless enthusiastic employees gather here. Seriousness and professionalism are synonymous with us. Meeting customer needs and solving customer problems is our eternal mission. As a high-tech packaging machinery enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales and service, ZHONGHUAN has never stopped. In the wave of digital transformation, we are concentrating on tackling key problems and focusing on investment for every expectation. Concentrate every effort only to bring surprises and touches beyond expectations to customers. Make service no longer a value exchange, but mutual perception and companionship. We have a passion for packaging art burning in our hearts, and we have injected new vitality into the industry through innovative and ceaseless efforts. We understand each client's unique needs. Therefore, we provide personalized customization services and carefully build machinery and equipment that meet customer expectations. As a promoter of the packaging machinery industry, we always adhere to the development concept of consistency. Carving every detail, customize its skeleton, infuse its soul, use measured force. Casting quality, use ingenuity to innovate, grasp the smallest details of product design, control the most precise production links. From R&D to production, every product is all our commitment to quality. Be an eternal innovator in the industry with technological innovation. Professionalism achieves quality. Safety changes life. Today, we have a global presence. Join hands with many top industry customers at home and abroad. Bring high-quality smart manufacturing in China, delivered to every corner of the world. One high recognition from the industry customers. From tradition to intelligence. From intelligence to transcendence. Inject intention. Let every product return to life. ZHONGHUAN Machinery.